So I'm a huge fan of horror movies, and my all-time favorite is the Halloween franchise, except for Halloween 3 and Resurrection. Nobody likes those. But anyway, I thought with Halloween coming up, it'd be cool to go ahead and make a few Micheal Myers knives. So let's get started. So I'm gonna be making 2 of these, and I can get both of them out of this 1/4 inch MDF piece I had laying around. I'm gonna be making one just to have because I think they're pretty cool, and I'm making the other one for a future project. So if you've ever seen any of the movies, you know that Micheal Myers' weapon of choice is a kitchen knife, but it's a little bit bigger than your average kitchen knife. So I'm just gonna use this one as my basis and then make it a little bit bigger. have it, a few bloody kitchen knives. I made one of these just to have, and the other one will be part of our next project, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you're new here and you enjoyed the video, we'd really appreciate it if you just give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you like, you can actually click that little bell below to get notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, everybody.